let's use our cement to build our brick house. Put your feet on the floor and your hands on the floor behind you. Lift your middle up, 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 up to make the strong bottom part of our strong brick house. And you can wave to your other farm friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to my brick house. Put your foot down, wave with your other foot, lift your middle up. Hello, friends. Welcome to my brick house. Let's wave with a hand. Hello, whoa. Hello, friends. Welcome to my brick house. Hello. Welcome. Let's put one hand down and then spin all the way around to make the top of our brick house. This is the roof. I wonder, is our roof made of brick too? This must be a very strong fortress. Lift one leg up. Wave to your farm friends. Hello, friends. Welcome to my farm. Welcome to my brick house. Hello. Welcome to my brick house. It's so beautiful. I love my brick house. Let's wave with our hands. Hello. Hello. Take a deep breath in.